Hi dears, today I'm making one of my favorite mutton curry. This is the mutton curry I like to make it frequently. This goes with ghee rice, parota, roti, appam. In a cooker, add 1 kg of mutton. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and salt to taste and mix it well. Close the lid, let all the water from the mutton ooze out. Keep the flame in high and dry the water from the mutton. This step will give you a good flavor to the mutton curry, or you can add water to a mutton and cook as a traditional way. The water has dried. Now I'm adding 2 cups of warm water, not hot water, I'm adding warm water. Close the lid and cook the mutton till it becomes soft. The mutton is cooked. I have kept the cooker in a side till it releases all the pressure. Then open the cooker lid. The next step, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 inches of cinnamon stick and 8 cloves. And 1 big onion chopped and saute till it becomes light brown color, and add salt to taste and it will make the onion soft. Now onion has turned into light brown color. Now add 2 green chilli, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Instead of garlic and ginger paste, you can use raw ginger and garlic. And add 2 strands of curry leaves. And saute till the raw smell leaves. Keep the flame in low before adding the spice powder. 3/4 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and 1½ tablespoon of dhania powder, that is coriander powder, and ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute it for 2-3 minutes till the raw smell leaves. Grind 3 medium-sized tomato in a mixer without adding water. Close the lid till the tomato and masala cooks well. After 4 to 5 minutes, the masala has been cooked well. Now add cooked mutton. Let the masala and mutton cook well and absorb the flavor. Now add 2 cups of warm water. After 5 minutes, open the lid. The mutton has been cooked well. You can check the consistency of the curry. It's not too thick or thin. Last ingredients which add the flavor is to add 1/4 cup of coconut milk. For 1 kg mutton, add 1/4 cup of coconut milk. If you add more coconut milk, then the flavor will change. Thanks for watching.